folks, I would like to share with you my new buy, and but just open it and look at it and see what I think about it. You might going to be decide yourself either you want this tool or not. We bought this at the Home Depot. The price was about $100. I think it's $100, and it was just a sale, a regular sale. I'm not sure what the original price was, but anyway, I think we got saved about $50-60 I saved. So it comes with the 2 batteries and 12 volt 1.5 amperes. It's not really super strong, but that's probably enough for what I am doing, and I really love this, plus it's good price. Anyway, let's open this Makita and see which is what is inside. I have just opened it but have not pulled anything yet. Alright, let's see what's the difference in between the one I have before and this one. I have one before and I sold after 1 year of use. Now, this is slightly smaller. The battery is kind of small too. Wow. It is definitely a small battery. Got a nice light. Nice and quiet like usually. So this guy has what am I jiggy? This guy has 2-speed. It does have variation of grips. It does. This is look like a roller hammer, I would assume. Great, I like it. The battery is extremely small. It's basically going to my hand. Okay, what else do we have in this box? There you go. There is a charger. Charger is kind of compact too. I wish this guy can be taken outside of the United States. If it's 220, that would be nice. Good gift. No, it's only 120. It does not make for 220 voltage. But whoever wants to send it to a different country, they can use inverters, I would say. Let's see how it is charging. That's it. Huh. It's very strange. They usually locked up. This one just like slide in and that's it. Doesn't even lock anywhere. Doesn't look like even go all the way. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So you won't believe I was sliding from the wrong side. There you go. Now it's all the way in. Let this thing charge. Great. So let's see what's else inside. Oh, what is it? Oh gosh, this is nice. Has a drill bit. I usually put neodyme magnets on it, so it can be very useful. This is another one. This is impact drill. Same small battery. Space for whichever side you want. And this is just 1-speed. Super. And what else is in this bag? In this box, there's instruction with lots of advertisement, and with offering to buy older tools. And also we do have a bag, curtain bag. It is a very nice bag. Look at this. I got a belt inside, so it's going like this, triangular sort of shape. When you open, it's big and square. Get some packets. Very good, extremely good. Good gift for myself. Everything for just $99. Anyway, that was short review. I don't know what else to say on this deal. It's just a 12-volt Max CXT, 2 pieces equipment, 3.8 drill species, blah blah blah, RPM delivers. Yeah, it's not bad. 0.45 point and 1700 up to 24 in.lbs of max torque. That's not bad. Yeah, this is a small tool, but is actually I very like it. It's very light. Have all these features. Anyway, what is that? Impact has 970 in.lb of max torque. That's not bad. That's very good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it.